Indian troops continue a massive cordon and search operation in Poonch district of the Jammu region on the third consecutive day today. Indian troops and paramilitary personnel had launched the operation in Mender area of the district. The troops have also fired several rounds of guns during the operation. Indian Home Minister Amit Shah, addressing a rally in Mahuda town of Kheda district, has said Muslims were taught a lesson in 2002 Gujarat, claiming that permanent peace had been established in the state since then. Amit Shah was referring to the killing of thousands of Muslims during the anti-Muslim riots by Hindutva goons in 2002 under the patronage of the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is taking one step after another to implement the Hindutva agenda of RSS in the territory. Modi regime has added over 7 lakh new voters, mostly non-local Hindus and retired personnel of the Indian forces, in the final electoral rolls of the territory. The move is aimed at disempowering the Muslim majority into the electoral politics. Political experts and analysts have deplored that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is victimizing journalists for exposing Indian brutalities on Kashmiris. The political experts and analysts in their statements and interviews in Srinagar said Modi regime is using different intimidating tactics to harass the journalists and force them to toe its line. They said probe agencies frequently raid the offices and the residences of journalists in the occupied territory. Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, has said that Pakistan is the benefactor and only hope for the oppressed people of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir, who have been facing the worst Indian state terrorism for the last over 7 decades. He expressed the hope that the new military leadership will not only enhance the defense capabilities of Pakistan but will also play a vital role in resolving the Kashmir dispute. India's notorious National Investigation Agency has filed a supplementary charge sheet against a resident of occupied Kashmir. The probe agency filed supplementary charge sheet against Danish Nasir, a resident of Kishtwar district of the Jammu region, on the accusation of hatching conspiracy. Authorities have confiscated properties belonging to Jamaat-e-Islami of the occupied territory in South Kashmir's Islamabad district. District Magistrate Islamabad confiscated these properties under draconian law, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. These properties, including orchards, shopping complexes, agricultural land and residential houses, have been confiscated in Danjipura, Matan and Sarsai areas.